SAP Plumbing, 904-346-1266. We changed out a Zern Wilkins 8-inch OS and Y valves. We changed out the neoprene gaskets. I'm still working on it a little bit, just tightening it up. We just got the water on. We've been working on this for about 6 hours, but we changed it out. This one's brand new. It is a reduced pressure backflow prevention assembly. The old one's in the dumpster, or in the dump truck. It'll go off to the salvage yard tomorrow. This thing weighs about 710 pounds. The replacement was 850 pounds, the original one.